What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole, this is Bay, and that guy is Inga. Anyway, we are on our way. Where are we going, Bay?
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. What are we gonna do at Whole Foods? Recycle. So again, my New Year's resolution for the year of 2020 is to recycle. And I mean, this whole year has just been an absolute mess with the COVID-19 and my job. Arturo just finished writing his essay. It was, what was $5,000?
$5,000 paper on the $5,000. Might as well be 5,000 word paper on the impact of campaign finance contribution law on the 2020 election.
I hope you got all that. You know what? If you haven't got all that, reverse this. Rewind. Oh my God, we are like hella messing this up. Just go ahead and rewind and re-listen. So anyway, yeah, he just got finished writing that. What was it? 2 days ago?
Yesterday, actually.
Yesterday. Okay, yesterday. And his professor gave a really nice. He shoot him a really nice email. What did the email say? Well, practically say if you don't remember.
To paraphrase it, I'm still a law student, but he's like, I wish you luck in your career as a lawyer. So he expects good things. yeah, and that was really nice. It kind of touched my heart because we didn't have the best. I didn't start out on the best foot with this guy, and we kind of, we had a lot of debates over the course of the class, but sounds like we enjoyed it. He enjoyed it.
Yeah. But God, I mean, what an experience. His last year of law school, and we really did hit it with a bang, if I do say so myself, with this coronavirus. And they postponed graduation for him. So I was planning to originally do some photos, but yeah. Anyway, we're here at Whole Foods now, so I'll go ahead, let me put the recycling in the recycling bin over there at Whole Foods, and then we'll head out. We can't stay too long because this guy's in the car and he's not allowed in Whole Foods, so we're just gonna roll down the windows in and out very fast. I don't abuse him whatsoever.
Wow, what a disclaimer.
Stop it. Anywho, yeah, all right, so stay tuned, everyone, for the recycling, and then we're gonna do we're gonna go to HEB to buy some meatballs because we're having an Italian potluck, and then we're also gonna do just park over there. We're also going to go to Hella Bubble, which I hope Titus is there. I can't wait. I don't know if y'all have ever watched my previous vlog, but Titus is really awesome. But yeah, hopefully he's there. Again, we're going to Hella Bubble, and then we're gonna go back home, and he's gonna study he is gonna study barbering. So stay tuned. Okay, perfect. So there's Whole Foods again. He's gonna go check if they emptied the recycling, and then these are all our empty plastics. Sorry, his back trunk kind of looks like a mess, but it's really a mess because of the plastics we got going on. Paper, glass, plastic, aluminum, plastic containers from takeout that we've been ordering since the quarantine, and more plastic. A little bit of aluminum back there, I see it, that one can. But yeah, let's hopefully we can just recycle all this. I don't want to stay here for too long, so hopefully. Alrighty guys, so let's get this recycling thing going. And I got this box. Oops. If it will fit in my hand. Hold up. Oh, I gotta set the camera down, hold on. Okay, so got the box full of recyclables. Gonna go recycle this for Mother Nature, for good vibes, for a cleaner planet, for a brighter future, cleaner tomorrow, very eco-friendly. Yeah, totally. Oh, Whole Foods. shout out to Whole Foods for letting me recycle, because the point of recycling is so that way there's a better world, a better planet. I'm a little, sometimes it feels a little awkward, but I'm starting to get used to it, you know, recycling and stuff. But yeah, okay, hold on. Recycle bin.
Hold on to that back.
Recycle. There you go.
Shall we look around?
Yeah, let's go ahead and look around. But yeah, that was just us recycling. Alrighty guys, so we just got done with Whole Foods. Thank you, Whole Foods, for recycling / composting / giving organic foods. But now anyway, we are on the way. We are on our way to the Heights so we can enjoy some Hello Bubble. I hope Titus is there. He promised me a t-shirt, and if I get the t-shirt, I swear to God, I'm going to ask him to take a photo with me. I love those jasmines. They're so pretty. But anyway, yeah, so stay tuned for Hella Bubble. God, oh my God. Currently, we did get some Hella Bubble. Hold on, let me zoom in. Oh wait, no, I can't zoom in. Oh fuck, it's like right there. That's Hella Bubble. Got our drinks. We are chilling at the park. Arturo, say something.
What up?
What up?
Oh, my hair looks good.
Inga was on my lap, but now he's not, you know. Look at these doggos. Oh, and these are my favorite condos. I mean, sorry, they're not condos, they're apartments.
Dream apartments, right here.
Dream apartments. It has been confirmed they are dream apartments. Look at Inga. Look at them. Look at them. See? Anywho, just giving y'all a quick update. Enjoying some time in the shade. It's really sunny. First time that I'm off and it's sunny. It's actually a really pretty day, but I go back to work tomorrow. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Very beautiful day. Okay. Yeah, stay tuned for me making meatballs. Alrighty guys, so we got to the apartment and he's actually gonna stay back because he's tired. Again, he's been driving from the Woodlands to the Heights and back home, so I'm gonna let him rest with the doggo. Excuse my living room, it is a mess. Let me say something about it. That's a t-shirt, by the way. Anywho, I am on my way to go to HEB, get some what was it, meatballs, and then after that I'm gonna cook it and stuff like that. And yeah, so everyone stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so here is my meatballs with tomato, this Vero Gusto. Yeah, this is what I put in there, and these are just the pre-cooked meatballs. Yeah, and this sauce, I'm not gonna put any salt or anything like that because my coworker said that these are already really salty, so I won't have to do anything other than just put the sauce in the meat. But yeah, I guess that concludes this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's pretty random. But yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Peace.